subscribe my Techie Bro YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hey guys, welcome to my Techie Bro YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you that how you can send SMS using Termux. So first you need to install Termux API. Go to Google Play Store and type Termux API and install it. So I have installed it already, so I'm going to install it. Type apt update. Now install Termux API. Now type Termux SMS send. -n and type number here. Then message. And hit enter. Now our message is successfully sent. So that's all for this video, and if you have any problem just comment below and I will help you as much as I can. Thanks for watching this video and goodbye.